A rare street legal version, California street legal version, and won't start. So, client bring it in. They want me to get it running again. Doesn't have really much compression. It does have a little bit, but not much. It's not completely compressionless. First step is going to be getting the seat off and the tank off. While we're at it, we'll be taking the air filter off, cleaning that. So we got the gas tank off, seat off. We're going to clean this up a bit here. There's a bunch of dirt and debris. We got to just clean up a little bit. And we're going to try to get in here and take a look at it a little closer. Okay, so we got it cleaned off a bit. So we've got the covers off. Just check the exhaust, and we've got the intake here. And it's right there at 0.003 of an inch, or 0.08 millimeters. That's right where it should be. This looks like a brand new spark plug. We'll check the numbers here. Check the gap. Top dead center right there. Little T right there. So we actually got her running. So that little bitty valve adjustment did it. We're gonna take this air box and clean it. Take that air filter out, clean it. You can see there's just a bunch of sand. This thing was really caked with dirt, just a lot everywhere, caked in there, all around the whole motor and everything on the carb. And we're just gonna pop this out and give it a little cleaning, the carburetor. But we're just gonna take it from there. Okay, so we got the 2005 CRF150F, and we got the carburetor removed because I could tell that we needed to get in there, and I pulled the bowl off, right? And this, I believe the pilot is the pilot jet, one of the jets, main jet, pilot jet, whatever it is just floating around in there, not even screwed in. So I've never seen that before, but I'm almost positive this is going to be like one of the main problems here. So if you just have a jet floating around in there, surprised I was even able to get the thing started. I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning the carburetor up, and pretty sure it's going to run pretty good after this. I'm not sure, but we'll take it a step at a time. We got the carburetor all put back together here, all cleaned up. We got that jet that was just floating around in there put back in. All our hoses cleaned up and put back on, and we're ready to pop her back on. We got this, I think that's the idle jet or something right there. We turn that all the way in and then two turns out, so we might have to play with that a little, but we'll see how it goes. We just finished tuning it up. We adjust the valves. We kind of gave the bike a wash down. There was a bunch of dirt and everything. We adjust the valves, check those, just minute adjustments on those. Clean the air filter, clean the carburetor. When we took the carburetor off, there was actually the main jet was just floating around in there. It wasn't screwed in, it was floating around in the bowl. So that was like probably the main issue that was wrong with the bike, is your main jet was just had backed its way out somehow, and it was floating around in there. So I'm surprised that I was able to even get it started before that. It was just running really high, not idling or anything. So that's when I knew it was a carb issue. So anyways, the customer should be pretty happy now that we got it all back together and ready to go. So we're going to see if we can get this bad boy going and adjust the carburetor a little here if need be. Okay. I think we're calling it a job well done right there. So one cool thing about this bike is it's a rare CRF150F with a street license plate. It's got turn signal, all the cluster here. There's the right. It's got a horn. Pretty cool, huh? I don't know what that does. Oh. Is that for the lights? Oh, there's the headlight. Headlight works. That's high beam, low beam, and then I guess there's a kill switch there. Okay, pretty cool. And then they have the key here as well. And that's all powered with like this little battery thing here. I guess that's for the headlight. So, anyways, running good. I think we'll give it a little spin just to make sure everything works.